Look at this. Gorgeous, isn't it? Here's a method that works without signing up or spending a single cent. First, launch your browser and enter this URL to go to the page. Then, simply drag the image you've prepared into the box on the page, just like this. The image preview will pop up right here in the box. Then, input the content you want to convert. You'll find all the text you need in the video description below. At this point, you should see the thumbnail along with the text you entered, all inside the box. Once everything's set, click on Generate Image down here. To wrap it up, just click the arrow at the bottom right and agree the terms of use. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see two images being generated side by side. Assistant A on the left, Assistant B on the right. We're patiently waiting for our baby project to come to life. In under a minute, both assistants will display their results. The left image looks perfect, so let's go ahead and hit the download button in the top right to save it. All done, but hold on. Give it a quick review before you post, just in case there's anything off. Thanks so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up, share it around, and subscribe if you haven't already. Catch you later!